this is
shots.
another one. The CDC has officially said or made a decision to not only support boosters for at-risk workers, so people who are constantly working in at-risk environments or actually have at-risk diseases. So, for instance, if they have asthma or if they have you name it thing like COPD, anything like that, you know, where their immune system is compromised, they're saying you might need to get a booster now, and they're supporting that decision. But also too, if you're over 65, because people who are elderly are considered senior citizens in the US over 65, they're saying that, okay, you'll definitely need to, get the COVID booster shot so that you can stay up to date with everything. Similar to how you get a flu shot each year or a booster shot, you would get the COVID booster shot. So this is starting to be the time, because you don't want it to be last minute December around Christmas, you're sick, you can't even be around family because now you have to quarantine and all these random things. You want to be that person who got the booster shot early, not shilling the vaccine. I'm just telling you, this is their train of thought. They don't want you to be the person who can't go to the family function, or they don't want you to be the person who gets everybody sick at the family gathering. So they are saying, yes, you can't get the booster shot now because it is going back into that fall flu season, that disease season where everybody's getting sick. So yeah, this is also, again, going back to the positive news for these COVID companies who are putting out vaccines. So Pfizer, PFE, Johnson & Johnson, J&J, Inovio, INO, all these different companies, you can literally say, okay, let me look and see how they're performing. Let me see if they are going to have any new updates with the coronavirus or the COVID vaccines. And if they do, then that should be a pretty decent area to say, okay, or a pretty decent, formulation of your decision to say, okay, it's time to buy in. It's time for me to start getting some shares for the longer term so you can make some, decent money off of them. So yeah, guys, that's some pretty big
stocks,
news.
Biotech stocks.
This is going to be talked about. So I noticed how when coronavirus and COVID was first out, everybody was talking about Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, et cetera, and then the summer came around, nobody's talking about it because nobody's worried about it. Summer months, less people are sick. People gonna be talking about this again. It's coming back.
I get a little chilly again.
It's like the Thanos meme. I am inevitable. You can't get rid of it. It's coming back.
I'm trying to play with none of that sickness, man.
So just keep coronavirus stocks or just vaccine stocks and stuff on your watch list, guys. That's definitely something that you should be looking into, even if you don't want to buy, just to see how it performs. Because if those stocks are going up, it's likely the rest of the markets are going to get hit. Don't be
afraid to practice trade, guys.